Hello, my name's Marcel and I'm here at Bella Barista. Today we are going to show you, or I'm going to show you, how to descale a dual boiler coffee machine. And how often should you descale your coffee machine? Well, that largely depends on how much you use it and probably what kind of water you're using. Is it softened, is it bottled, and whereabouts you live in the UK. But a general rule of thumb is probably once every 6 months. So we would recommend using Descale, the fast descaler. This is available on our website, but also very easily available through a lot of DIY stores throughout the UK. Starting off, we need the machine up to pressure, up to temperature, because what we're going to do is empty the water reservoir and we want to empty the boilers. So get rid of any water that's left in your reservoir and then pop it back in, and then empty the hot water as much as you can. Let's take the reservoir out again. So this is the empty reservoir, and as per the instructions on the back of the Descale container, it says to use 1 to 2 cups of solution and then to mix that with double the amount of clean water. So let's put 2 cups in. There we go. So just as another pointer, this is perfectly safe, this product, so it's not going to affect you if there are any bits of the solution left in the machine. It's perfectly food safe. So then we want to add some cold water, so I'm just going to fetch some. So again, we're putting fresh cold water into the reservoir, and just make sure that that's nicely mixed up, which it is. Pop it into the machine. Now the machine's going to automatically fill the boiler because you've emptied it. So this is the Descale solution mixed with water now entering into our hot water boiler. So with the jug, let's just let that fill up. So once the pump is switched off, that means that the steam and hot water boiler is now full with the solution. We also want to pull some water through the brew group. Just bring water through the brew group a few times. Obviously that's going to be adding, this is a much smaller boiler by the way in all dual boiler machines, the brew boiler. So that's not going to need too much water pulling through it in order to fill the boiler. There we go. So that's probably about 200 or 300 mils that I've pulled through the brew boiler. Now I would switch the machine off and leave it overnight. The longer you leave it, the better. So I would recommend doing it at the end of the day and then just leaving it overnight with the machine switched off. And that's pretty important, because if you leave the machine switched on and you've got a lot of scale build up inside the boilers, with the Descale solution in there and the machine on, you may end up with overpressuring, overfilling, and then the machine, the safety valve on the top of the boilers will then start spraying all of the Descale solution out everywhere. So please remember to switch it off overnight. And then when you return to the machine in the morning, you've got to switch it on, get it back up to temperature, back up to pressure, and then we've got to empty the boiler, keep refilling the reservoir with fresh clean water, and as a good general rule of thumb, I would refill that reservoir about 3 times and flush that through the machine, both through the brew group and through your steam and hot water boiler. So a good way to test to see if you have got all of the solution out of the machine is to use it with the waste, with the water that's dirty water that's coming out of the machine that may potentially have some Descale left in there. If you just pour some milk into that water, and if the milk separates, then you've still got descaler in the machine. But if the milk stays normal or fresh, doesn't separate, then that is telling you that you've emptied all of the solution out of the machine and you've only got fresh water. Just a quick recap then, dual boiler machines, so up to temperature, and then empty the reservoir and empty the large boiler, which is the steam and water boiler, then refill the reservoir with the Descale solution as per the instructions on the back, bring the machine back up to temperature, and then it should automatically start filling the boiler as soon as we've put the reservoir tank back in, and then pull about 200 or 300 mils through the brew group. Switch the machine off, leave it overnight, and when you come back to the machine in the morning, switch it back on, up to temperature, and then we start emptying the boilers again. Refill the reservoir, do that 3 times, and then do the milk test. So I hope you found this video useful, and yeah, if you've got any questions, please send them in to us, and don't forget to like and subscribe.